Have you ever seen a superworm or mealworm shedding its skin and thought, "It's this just waste"? Well, you are about to discover something truly fascinating. Worm shedding isn't just a natural process. It's a hidden treasure for farming, pet care, and even science. Let's explore the surprising benefit of worm sheddings. What is worm shedding? Like snakes, crabs, and shrimps, worms also shed their outer layer as they grow. Insects like mealworms and superworms go through multi-molting during their larva stage. Each time they grow bigger, they leave behind their old exoskeleton, what we call sheddings. But don't throw it away, it has some amazing uses. Why is shedding useful for? Natural protein boost for pets. These shed skins are rich in proteins and minerals. Many pet owners use them as an extra supplement for reptiles, fish, and even chickens. It's completely natural and easily digestible. Soil enrichment. Once broken, worms mix into the bedding like organic matter. They contain chitin, a component that helps plants build resistance against pest and disease. Microbees magnet. The shield exoskeleton is a great surface for beneficial microbees to grow. That helps composting and soil health too. How to collect and use. If you are farming worms at home, keep an eye on the top layers of bedding. That's where most of the shed skin will collect. Use a small mesh strainer to separate them easily. You can either store them for later use, mix them directly into compost, or feed small portions to pets. That benefits for chitin. So next time you spot those peppery little skins in your worm bin, don't toss them. Worm shedding is natural bonus gift packed with nutrients and benefits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more worms farming tips, and drop a comment if you have any question.